We provide the answer to the number one question asked in our industry: how much will it cost? Having been in the industry for over 30 years, we developed this do-it-yourself online estimator so that customers can get an unbiased estimate on the repair and be confident that the shops they choose to use are providing them with a fair price of repair. The use of this software online is free. No username or password is required. Now let's get started. This is the home page, and on this home page, if you look, you can get a number of estimates. You can get pump and motor estimator, telescopic cylinder estimator, rod cylinder estimator, hose assembly estimator. We'll just choose pump and motor estimator. So we just click on that. We'll get this screen. You'll look on the model number tag on your unit and you will choose the brand name, say Bosch Rexroth. We will choose the model number that's also on the tag, and we'll choose the AA10 VSO 100, and then we'll put in a zip code. The zip code is very important because we've gone across the country and evaluated the labor rates nationwide. So the cost of repair in one area of the country is not necessarily the same in the other area of the country due to numerous factors. So we'll put in a zip 33142, Miami, Florida. If you notice up here, you will get a typical repair price range. Also, you'll get over here a picture of the unit. This is what the unit generally looks like, less special controllers, but you can have product identification with this picture. And then also we can drill down here if we want to get a little more specific. And we have a low, median, and upper cost of repair. We also have a description down here of what's all involved in each one of those repairs. And also we have a description of what we call minor hard parts and major hard parts. So let's take, for example, this low. This low would typically be a disassemble, clean, inspect, reseal, assemble, test, a couple small parts. The median would be disassemble, clean, inspect, reseal, assemble, test, and a major hard part, maybe a shaft and bearing, those kind of things. The upper would be same thing, disassemble, clean, inspect, reseal, assemble, test, with a few more major hard parts, maybe the shaft, maybe pistons, maybe rotating group, maybe port plates, what have you. So you can actually drill down and get more specific on what is required in your repair.